Hello everyone, I'm Yumu. I don't know whether you still remember that last year the brand Topping released a single and desktop DAC at a very affordable price, D10 Ice. It is very popular because it's a compact size and outstanding performance. And just within this week, Topping released a famous version of this DAC called D10B. It is similar price and same compact size, and we hope it brings us better performance. So let's check it out together. So you can see these two are in same size, just the output different, and the case is a little different here. Okay, thank you for your watching and welcome to subscribe us. See you next time.